Hi, I'm Roger with Minuteman Heating and Air. We love helping people and we love happy clients. I had a customer contact me. We put a Lennox 2-speed 16-seer in her house, and she was just raving about the energy savings that she was getting. She had an app on her phone that would tell her about the energy usage that she had had. But it was really neat to hear from her just being so excited about how much energy she was now saving. For all your heating and AC needs, please give us a call today at Minuteman Heating and Air.